right. Welcome back to Unboxing Show, guys. Thank you so much for stopping in. I am here because, of course, we've got an unboxing, a new watch to take a look at. I do want to say at the top of the video, as I start my morning out with my morning NOS, hit that subscribe button. We're moving along well. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. We're in like the 700 something range. Once we get to 1,000, we're going to do another giveaway. Okay, we just did one at 500. We got another one coming up at 1,000. We're almost there. Like I said, hit that subscribe button. You're gonna want to hang around and check that out. Okay. Just as a quick wristwatch check, I'm wearing my TCM, my Terra Cellomare, the TCM Milano. So nice automatic chronograph, kind of getting me through the day here. And I put it on this mesh bracelet. So that's today's watch. Let me jump in and get into the unboxing. All right, let's get my desk ready. And this is on watchgang.com, as I said earlier, guys. This is from the watch wheel. So this is about $50 to get into. It's the just kind of the base tier. But I will say, for $50, this is pretty damn good, okay? It's a watch that is pretty awesome. For $50, you cannot go wrong with this. I know that I say that about a couple of the pieces, but this one is definitely nice for $50. Let's get into it, okay? All right, so we've got Sterling. And if you have paid attention to the channel, you know that I've unboxed the Sterling Depth Master. And also I believe it's the Jensen are the models that I've already unboxed on this channel. So let's jump in. So, of course, you've got the tacky Sterling box, the tacky orange with this kind of retro logo here, that I do not like, but it does the job, right? Everyone deserves luxury. All the boxes always say that. So, let's jump on in. And again, the box for $50 is overkill, guys. It's overkill for $50. I will say that. In terms of what we've got, of course, let's see here. Looks like the warranty information, instructions, and they always give you the Sterling microfiber cloth, so you can chamois it down. Okay, let's push that to the side. We've got the leather pillow, and I will say again, guys, for $50, this is that plush on the inside here. For $50, the box is always nice on Sterlings, so can't beat it, right? Let's move that out of the way. I will say that, for $50, good value. All right, let me ready my wrist for the new piece. We put the TCM over here. And this is a Sterling GMT Batman. I'll get the exact name here, maybe if I can find it. This is... Let's see here, bear with me 1 second, guys. This is the Aquadiver Meridian. All right, let's go in. Give me 1 quick second. Let's go in for some detail. Here we go. All right. So as you can see, you've got like a Batman GMT situation going on. Something that you typically will get with a, obviously like a Rolex, right? You can get a Rolex GMT of the Batman flavor. And you can get that on a Jubilee bracelet. So you've got the Jubilee here. And I will say that the Jubilee bracelet, and I'm being 100% honest, guys, it doesn't feel as chintzy as you think it would feel, right? A lot of times these Jubilee bracelets on cheaper watches feel very, very chintzy. And while this one obviously is not amazing, it doesn't feel as good as the strap code Jubilee that I have on my, I was going to say Grand Seiko. My Seiko King Turtle. I don't have a Grand Seiko. Not yet. Anyway, my Seiko King Turtle. It doesn't feel as sturdy as that one. In fact, it's nowhere near as sturdy as that one. Okay, but this is still a pretty good, cheaper Jubilee bracelet. So it doesn't feel as jangly as they usually feel. So very nice dark blue there in terms of the bezel, as you can see. It is a bi-directional, so there are no clicks, but you can turn it in both directions. And it is a little hard to move, so it's definitely going to stay wherever you turn it. But definitely, I love that nice blue that's on there, that nice dark blue. In terms of this, this Batman color scheme here, you've got the GMT, so you can set that. And when you go on vacations, you can be able to, monitor another time zone, which is great. You can leave your watch set for where you are. You can use that second hour hand or that GMT hand to kind of be the time wherever you are around the world. Definitely nice. It is a quartz movement. You see it ticking. It is a Swiss quartz. So, it's not one of these like really junky kind of Chinese quartz movement. It is a nice Swiss quartz. And I will say, listen, $50 GMT, Batman, Jubilee bracelet. Let's check out the class here. You've got the fold over. Okay, just kind of a cheap pressed clasp, but again, for $50, what were we expecting? It is signed. It does say sterling there. And let's see here. Is this signed as well? Okay, looks like we do have a logo here on the crown as well. Let's see here. It's just a screw down. And it's a screw down crown. So let's get the specs here. And I'm going to throw it on the wrist. And I want you guys to guess the case size. And I'll pay that off here in a second, okay? Let's guess the case size. Let's throw this on. So just for reference, my wrists are basically 8¼ inch, okay? So as you can see, that's how much play I got left. So I think most people are going to be able to size this to their liking here. Let's punch back out, guys. There we go. So there it is on my wrist, my roughly 8¼ inch wrist there. Okay. So, I would probably have to take out probably about 3 links here. But there it is there. Very nice piece. It is quite the looker, guys. Now, in terms of the movement, like I said, Swiss quartz, not bad at all. Okay. 12 millimeters in terms of the case thickness, which isn't too bad. You, of course, have a screw down crown with 100 meters water resistance on a $50 watch. Well, I mean, come on. $50. Bidirectional rotating bezel. You've got the stainless steel case. It honestly is not bad at all. It says that the dial is brass. So it says the dial is a brass dial. Or I guess they're saying it's made out of brass. But honestly, guys, what more could you ask for? It honestly isn't a bad piece for the price. You cannot beat $50 on that. What did you think that the case size is? Go ahead and drop that in the comment section below. Let me know. It is 42 millimeters. So that's a nice approachable size that I think anybody can get to. This is the 42 on my, like I said, 8¼ inch wrist. And again, 42 is crazy approachable. Let's put it next to my TCM. I just kind of want to see, because this TCM is actually a pretty big watch. I just kind of want to see it dwarf. Let me put it on here. Here we go. I just want to see it dwarf that. Well, actually, I guess it's not that. The TCM always feels huge, but I guess this is not. I guess it is pretty big, yeah. I think the TCM is about 45 millimeters. So, but there it is there, guys. This is the Meridian by Sterling. So you always get great value with Sterling if you haven't noticed already. Usually it's a lot of watch for not a lot of money. I mean, I think they do they definitely dominate the low end. But if you're just starting out with watches, if you get something like this, you really aren't doing too bad. Great water resistance rating. Like I said, it's a quartz movement, but a Swiss quartz. You're going to be able to set it and forget it. You've got that GMT hand, so when you do travel, you can set that second time zone and you're good to go. Not a bad piece for $50. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Would you wear this? Obviously, it looks like the Rolex GMT. It looks like the iconic Rolex, so it's pretty awesome. It's an homage. But just let me know. Is this a piece that you would acquire? Is this a piece that you would put in your rotation? Thank you so much for watching, guys. This has been Unbox and Chill. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Hang out with me. We've got a giveaway coming, and I can't wait to mail something out to you, possibly. Goodbye.